Okay, so we're going to, look at my hair. We're going to the lake and we're taking Tony out, and we only got wings to eat. I know, as you can tell, I'm very new to vlogging. We only got wings to eat, and Mango dropped all of my wings.
So we got hot wings.
I don't want any hot
They're
wings.
They're not hot, unfortunately.
I gotta tell y'all about that. Mango went and got some, so Hattie B's opened up. Mango got some hot chicken, but he gave me the shut the cluck up. So,
no.
Yes, you did.
No.
And you didn't know. So
gave
when
us the shut the cluck up.
No, he gave me the shut the cluck up because he didn't even try it yet. So I like spice, but not like that much heat. You know, like I can't handle that. That was at the top. There's hot and then there's shut the cluck up. Gives me that I die. It was great. Wanted to cry, but it is the 20th of July. It's 3 days after our boy's birthday. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're taking him to the river.
All right, we made it to the park and my boy is already stressing out. Tony?
You said usually the dogs are what?
Really sweet out here.
Oh, okay.
The people bring, you know, the sweetest little dogs.
Yeah. All right, Tony's about to go in the water. It is his first time in the water.
Tony's like, all right, we're here.
He's like, all right, I did what I had to do.
Good boy. See, I told you.
Oh, he knows how to swim,
I
huh?
told you he knows how to swim.
Uh-huh.
Come on, let's do it again.
That was a good little loop. He's like, I'm fighting for my life.
All right. One. He's already swimming.
And that's on my dog.
1, 2, 3. Give me.
Better go get him.
Take it. Honey, where you going? Honey, where you going? Come on, honey, where are you going? Oh, my baby just canceled. Go get it.
He was swimming.
With my boy? Yeah.
Oh, where'd he go?
Oh my God. Why are we so bad at this?
What do you mean?
I don't bring any towels.
No, we didn't.
Just on my couch, huh? You're just comfortable tearing my couch up. You gonna let me poop in peace? Tony, eat your pizza. Yeah, you gotta eat your pizza. It's just so perfect that today we having pizza, yeah? Okay, you can do it, bud. I believe in you. Do you want it? You don't want it enough.
If you don't know who I am, I'm ChelseaBytes, a variety content creator who just kind of goes with the flow. It's really easy for me to get distracted, so I have to stay on a really strict schedule, which I'm just so good at. If you have any organization methods that you can share with me, because I desperately need them, put them down below.
Trody. sits under and behind my monitors. She likes to sit back here. She's found this little cave. So my collapsed sound like treatment has created this cave for her behind. She's been sitting here, just living it up. So I want to get her in her natural habitat. So we're at my ramen place. I'm gonna grab some sukumin. We got some apps. It's been rainy all week and I have not been getting enough sleep, so my energy has just been low, real low. So you go and you take your noodle, you dip it. I might have a lot, but you do that. Put it on your spoon, just as much as you can. It's about to be a big slurp. And that's how you keep it clean.
Period.
Well, we got our ring.
So over the summer we got the Samsung Ring, not sponsored, and it was a very necessary upgrade in our lives because I was not getting the right amount of sleep and I wanted to track my steps, and I don't have a watch. I'm really bad with watches, so this was absolutely perfect. We should do something with Samsung in the future.
Look at her. And then I'm glad I opened it towards me. I will buy all those products for my new home. I will get the Samsung fridge. I will get the Samsung microwave. I'll get the Samsung TV. I'll get the Samsung shoes, the car. I don't care. If I could control all of that through this ring, boom. And no subscription, so you don't have to keep it connected like that for it to keep working. Beautiful. Oh, they out.
Yeah, another one of them. Man, it is not a fun weekend.
I'm sorry.
I'm sleeping.
I used to teach martial arts in Cuba. No, I would not go to
This is crazy.
Bro, that's some presentation, though.
So we went to the YouTube event at the Cidercade here in Austin to see some of our old friends like Betty Nix, Christine, Christology, and see some new folks as well. And yeah, I know you can hear me from across the room, but it was really nice. It was really, really nice seeing everybody. You can catch so many amazing individuals just in this clip alone. Stay inspired and be surrounded by people that inspire you.
So we came back from the YouTube event. You can see RDC World crossing in front of our car. Yep, what a time. But we saw a lot of our friends, and that's what made it worth it. It's good.
Yeah, we got to meet with a lot of people we don't normally see.
Oh yeah, seeing Chelsea and Betty.
And probably easier finding them here than at the convention.
Exactly. I'm really glad we showed up.
Yeah.
We stayed longer than we thought, but
Yeah, we were like 30 minutes.
30 minutes. I was like, the Cidercade.
Ugh.
Yeah, it was fun. We're going home.
Yeah, it's time for sleep.
24 hours later.
Alright, so we were just at we're still at the Twitch mixer. Dan says they're gonna be up at like 2 a.m. singing at karaoke at High Tunes.
I actually believe him.
I believe him. He was on a red eye. He's up. But I'm gonna go and host the MC Ender Cup tomorrow. I've seen so many amazing people today. I gotta get my picture with my girl. Victor. I'm making her in a second. We got our tacos. They're so good. I'm gatekeeping these. Y'all gotta figure it out because this is my taco spot. I don't give a shit.
Like an 88 Chico.
Honestly, I don't even know how I got there because I was live streaming and I saw it, and I just so happened to stop and I was really grabbing it.
Just a little bit of this game. All right, so we gotta go see Wolverine and Deadpool because that's the movie. Now, I'm tired of people spoiling stuff before the movie. Like, don't put all the reveals in trailers. Don't announce it just because it's San Diego Comic-Con. Let the audience be surprised. Let them find out on TikTok or Twitter or whatever. Okay, I have a problem with this movie because I watched the trailer and I was just not impressed. So I hope they get it right. I love you, Kate Blanchett, but did you need to be in this movie?
They've got like a little, you know,
That's cute. They keep everybody engaged.
icebreaker, right? You're good on the back.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good. All right.
Go grab our drinks.
Yeah, I'll get our drink.
Cute little drinks.
Cute.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wait for this interview and then we're gonna head out.
I know you will. Oh,
right.
love it. Love it. Look at that. Fire. And that is like almost a faux leather. It's soft.
Yeah.
So it feels really pliable. I always appreciate the material.
So
I had to sit down. My feet hurt.
yeah, look. Look
I stood strong. Woo. They have skulls on the back. So I stood strong. I met somebody from Twitch. Everybody talks out here and I love it. I like that DreamCon is so friendly. Because you can just, like that's the point of conventions, is for you to talk and be friendly and
Black folk feel comfortable with other black.
I know, and that's why this convention is so important, because it's one of the bigger black conventions. Whether you find it as an anime convention, a gaming convention, or just a black meetup, all of that is important because you're still gonna meet people who like anime or cosplay or just like Dragon Ball Z. And I'm glad. And they'll actually talk to you. But now my feet hurt. I'm about to make Mango take me to Starbucks, but that's at the Hilton, so we gotta do that last.
Starbucks last.
I fixed my nail.
3:45 we'll go do Starbucks.
Huh?
3:45 we'll go do Starbucks.
Oh, yay.
Okay, so it's August 2nd and wow, like there's just so much to do. If you've been wondering where I've been, I think the last time I left off, Mango and we've been trying to just break up the regular routine, go out to eat, just do something nice because it's so easy to get sucked into the mess of work. Like right now, I'm in cosplay and you can see like my messy shelf back there, but I'm in cosplay for Dog Milk. Yeah, we just recorded Devolver Digital and they did like a commercial for Crush House. Cute game. I love it. I'm going to be playing it with my girlies on Stay to Slay. But yeah, between like doing cosplay and working on a presentation and trying to stream and getting ready for interviews, there's just so much. And this weekend is really just going to be like a grind. But yeah, the best part of my job is that I get to get a martini glass with milk and put a hot dog in it and record a commercial. So I'm about to edit that right now and see how it goes. And then I'm going to be playing Baldur's Gate with the girlies. And then I'm just going to be questioning my life right after. But I'm going to get some more footage. I know it's just, y'all have not gotten to see just the mess that we're in. It has been a busy week. Also, Tony likes to open the windows. He can do it himself. And you proud of yourself, bud? Huh? You proud of yourself? Yeah. See how I opened the window. Uh-huh. Okay, we might have kind of got lucky. The weather got really bad as the afternoon rolled through. So I've just been working on my computer. I've been working on this computer and it's time for it to get fixed. So yeah, I've just been watching this pressure test, see how it goes. If you ever just need to know something, if you're unit testing your loop, this is a good lesson. Just use soap. It'll tell you. All right, it is Friday, August 9th. The kids have started back to school this week. I feel so bad for them. It's really, really early, but my sisters are coming over this weekend. I'm doing a kitchen stream tonight. If you don't know what a kitchen stream is, child, they pick the menu. My chat picks the menu and I go and I make it. I just thought of this really cute idea and I'm so hurt I didn't have the stickers for it. Like every time someone subscribes or they spin bits, it's like they kiss the chef. I just need like some tattoos or like some like stickers so I can just smack them on my face. I have all these ideas, I just never execute. Yeah, be more organized. Make lists and finish those lists. So we just finished making our meal for our bite night. This is Snoop Dogg's From Crook to Cook cookbook, and we made their crab legs, their mashed out potatoes, and the filet mignon. I gotta work on that butter pat next time, but she's looking good. She's looking good. I'm really proud. We did this live. Everything's still warm. Okay, I just finished a long week. It is August 8th, and it's like 1 a.m. Oh, excuse me. We went to Korean barbecue. It was really good. It was really good. We spent like a mug in there, but it was delicious. What was y'all's favorite?
The beef was good. Barbecue was good.
Spicy pork.
Yeah, it's the ritual, y'all. Might have messed it up though, because you said it.
I got the most. Whoa! It's him. He's him. Look, he's him. Wait, y'all can't see it.
Onto the lake. Yeah, you and mom didn't answer my phone call.
Good boy. Good boy.
We got a vlog. We gotta get our water shots. My boy.
Acclimatize. Acclimatize.
Yes, he looks good.
Acclimatize.
Acclimatize. That's for us. We gotta cut all that out.
Dang.
No, it's fine. Tony conquered his fears and he got his ball in the water. He's shaking like it's ice cold, and it probably is to him, poor thing. But he did a good job. We gotta find an exercise for him that's not running so he doesn't tear his knee up.
Don't fall. Show us
Tony, look.
Tony, ready? Are you gonna do this?
Grab higher.
Woo!
Oh my god. Give me a score 6. Give me a 6.
A 6?
Yeah.
Oh.
Go fast.
Maybe we made a mistake. Oh, your shade. Give us the shade.
Nah, you good. They waterproof. No, she not. No, she not. Y'all better just climb up and jump. Tony.
Okay, you ready? You ready?
Extra points for nostalgia.
Boom.
Woo!
Oh wow! Oh wow! That's I gotta get better.
In the Olympics.
That's the Olympics. An Olympian.
Except I did a chest flop.
This is so cute. I will. I sure will. I want to gatekeep this place. I'm literally jealous. They're just swinging. They're hanging out. What's it like being God's favorite?
It's awesome being your favorite, Chelsea.
Oh. Y'all, you get something so edgy. It looks cute and it smells really good. See, look. This is me. That's mango. This is me. That's mango. Everybody has such good smelling food. Look at this plate.
This is the French she's talking about.
Look at that. They got a whole bunch of stuff. Look, he's holding his head. He's holding the doctor's head. This is actually me in Layla's role. Because Farrah and Mango out here just eating everything up.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, I'm jealous I didn't get to eat like this. Oh, damn. Look at that. Next time? Yeah, I'll be back.
Oh, okay.
Come on. I got the lipstick. We went to Amy's. Amy's is so cute. It's got real strawberries up in there. Amy's out here using real ingredients. Layla chose the bear. It's great. I can't. It's great. What's it like? What's it like choosing the bear over Mint?
It's so sunny outside and everybody's so happy and we're all just so happy.
She's gonna avoid the question.
That was the answer.
It's a better place.
The world is a better place when you choose the bear. My sisters just left. Now I'm watching Alien. One of my mods, Teddy, recommended I watch them in chronological order since Romulus is coming out. So Tony's watching with me. Yeah. Yeah, he's watching with me. He's a good boy.